Hey, good morning. It's Anne from Pyrénées Oriental, and today in this video I'm going to share with you my top 3 hiking spots. Today I'm in Eus, right on top. I'm going to Cum, which is actually old Eus. People lived over there long time ago, and there's nothing much left actually except for the chapel, which is renovated recently. So I'm going to walk over there with, of course, my dog Reza. Where are you, Reza? Reza, come! And the reason I walk over here, of course, because I live just right below, and so it's quite convenient for me to come here with my dog once a week, twice a week. Reza, where are you? Reza! Shh, Reza! Hi! Hi! It's quite warm today, so she's a bit tired. Well, let's go then. First one, top 3 is, of course, let me turn my video, the Canigou. It's a 7-hour walk, so you need to get up early, and of course, if you want to, you can put your tent right on top and sleep over there. There's a refugee also where you can sleep over, because it's quite a trip. We did it. My daughter was only 6 years old, so it's very nice thing to do, because once you're on top you can see the mountains, you can see the Mediterranean Sea, and the views are just stunning. And the feeling, you know, once you arrived on top is just amazing. There's this big cross, you know, right on top with the Catalan flag, and people take pictures and are relieved and happy to be there. So it's quite a sensational feeling. You should really do that when you visit Pyrénées Oriental, when you live here. And of course, the views, let me turn my camera around. The views, as you can, are amazing too from up here. You see, there's Eus and the Canigou. Don't climb it in winter. Actually, May, June or September are the perfect months. Voila. Let's continue towards Cum. Second one for me is definitely Les Gorges de Carranza. It's near Nier, between the valley and the mountains. It's a long walk with bridges, little hills, caves, very adventurous, and I really love it because I like adventurous things, you know, especially with my children, to walk on those bridges, and you know, and to be careful actually, because you can't run or do anything crazy. It's not without danger. I mean, so if it's raining or snowing, you can't go there. It's too dangerous. But it's a very nice walk. You should really try. And last but not least, of course, there are the coast to coast walks. You can go, for example, to Argelès, park your car in Le Racou, and walk to Collioure. That's amazing. You see the Mediterranean Sea, you pass little villages, and once you arrive in the gorgeous Collioure, then you should have a pêche de vigne ice cream of a artisanal ice cream maker in the middle of Collioure. That will be a real treat. And well, if you have the courage, then you can continue all the way to Spain if you want to. So do enjoy the coast to coast walks. Be careful, if it's July, August, it can be really hot, so you should bring lots and lots of water, but it's really worth it. Well, that's it then. I'm going to continue a little with Reza. As you can hear, I need the exercise. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to support me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.